Okay, we're live. Looks like we got an excellent connection. That's what it says. Let's see if we can stay having an excellent connection, which would be excellent, right? All right, let's get into it. Okay, let's get into it. We had the calendar today is Wednesday. And what we got on the calendar today? Today is Wednesday. We had ADP non-farm employment. Non-farm employment change came out at 8:15, and nothing really happened there. Around 8:15, we see that nothing really happened. We did get some movement, but nothing. No swings, no heavy big swings. We did get some positive action to the upside, but no big swings, no heavy volatility. 9:45, we got final services PMI. 10 o'clock, we got ISM services. We got crude oil inventory. So if you like trading the news, like trading oil, 10:30, crude oil inventories. That's what we have today. Don't know if it's going to be too much volatility from any of these. This ADP didn't give too much volatility. We did start to move up, broke some highs, made higher highs in the market, as stated by this green right here. This is the current high. That green bar, that green highlight represents the current high on the dome. This pink, this line represents the prior close. So 0625 is the prior close. So this is where we are from the overnight session. And that's it. Let's see what the market does. Let's see what the market does today. Let's bring over the 4-hour bar, the 4-hour chart. I think it may be too much on here to just look at this. Let me see. Yeah, it's a lot on here. Hey, I can clean up a little bit right now, real quick. Okay. On the 4-hour chart, we got a little downtrend that we was following here. I didn't put this on the. Did I put this on the 4-hour? But anyway, a little downtrend right here on the 4-hour. Well, we might hit the top of this and roll over and come down to 67.26. Wouldn't that be something? If we break this low, 65. Well, it's possible. Anything is possible. Let me see. I'm gonna take this away, and we can just continue to get past. We got 20. Of course, we got the psychological ground numbers. We got the 10. Get past. Then we got this doji, this hammer. I said doji. This hammer that really didn't came up, rolled over. So overnight, we're not really got a gap. We're up actually 4 points from the overnight close. Come on. I'm trying to show the 4 right here. 4 points. Going to 5. So we're moving. But we're back in this level here. We're back in this level here. On the daily chart, we back between this high. It's about 1250, 13. I don't have the, let me see, take this. Okay, so the high, where we at? The high here is 12 and a quarter. So if we get past 12 and a quarter, we're looking maybe at 20 to get to 25. 12 and a quarter to 25, 26, and back up into this area here. If we go, we got some resistance at 1650, at 13. Well, we got 13 to 20. We're gonna have some resistance in there, but on the, you know, on the lower time frames, we got resistance 10, 13. Well, we break the 10, now we got 13, 14, 16 before we get to 20. Even before we get to 20. So it looks clean in here, but in between this area here, it can get rocky. So just got to be mindful of the lower time frames and the mine support resistance. And that's daily. I'll keep this here so we can watch to see what this does. Yeah. And 4-hour chart. Four-hour chart. Same if we do. We can have way to go to get back to that trend line. We want to bring it tighter to a more current trend line we got here. So looking up to 23. If we get up into this area, we're gonna have some resistance. 26, that's the pivot point. So the pivot is saying, if you bring it down a little, pivot is saying if we break above this trend line, then we should be on the positive side, on the long side. So we'll see how this market wants to act today. We got this right here, which is this 200 SMA, and this is the 20. No, that's the 50 SMA. We got the 50, we got the 20. I mean the 50 and the 200 right here, and it's below both of them. The 50 is above the 200, which is in the uptrend. Well, it may take a while if it's in downtrend to turn over, but still an uptrend on the bigger time frames also. Got some time before the market opens. Let's go down to a 15-minute. And on the 15-minute, we're back into some nice shoulders, head and shoulders. The high was 49.50. Let's say the low was just touched so many times. We could just pick one low, 96. We had this one at 94, 95, and the high is 49. 49 and 94. Let's do a little math. 49 and 94. 68.49 minus 67.94. 55 points. So 67.94 minus 55 take us to 67.39. Did we get there? We got to 67.48. Not 39. We got to 48. Got the oil. I drew this line right here. So we go here and we use the first line I drew. This was the shoulder. And then we had, I guess, it was forming here at this point. So we take the middle of this line, the high would be 49, and we would be at, I guess, 68. You want to say, call it 68, 69. So 6,800, 6849 minus 6,800 equals 49 points. So then we would take 6,800 minus 49 is 6751, and we came down to 6748. So if we used the original line I drew here and use that line as the head and shoulders, we actually hit the target. If we use the original when it first let me see, when it first set up, and I was looking at it like this right here, and I was saying the shoulders, head and shoulders, and drawing a line here, but it bounced down, then it came up, and then kept going sideways, and then broke aftermarket. So it formed a couple of shoulders before it broke down. So I saw it here first, saw this pop, I'm like, okay, look, if we come down, this could be a break, and broke, pop up. It had a lot of volatility, 96 to 15, 68, 15. A lot of volatility. Just stopping out the weak positions, stopping them out, come down, stop out weak positions, so they can just take it down. Yeah, I got stopped up. Weak position myself. I have to try to, in high volatility, have to change up my strategy of stops. Or get better entries. And get better entries, not and get better entries, man. Definitely have to get better entries. We look like we want to stay over the 6,800. If we stay over 6,800, then, you know, we'll be looking for longs. Let's see, on this is I got a broad channel on here, big channel on here. I got a big channel that's happening from back here. Lower part of the channel, higher part of the channel. Did I touch it? Because it was here. and it touched here, and it touched here. Now we're above this. Now we're above the channel. We broke out of it, but it was a longer downtrend channel that's been spanning over a couple of days on the chart. But now we've broken out of this channel. I'm gonna get it back to, get my chart back to normal a little bit. Let me see, get my daily chart out here. Let me keep a look at this daily chart. Little wild shoulders, head and shoulders. Break of 6,800. We got 08, so we get to 692, 97, 92 is back into what? Right around back in to this channel. This is that channel, and back into this area here. But little shoulders, head, shoulders, break. 68. What do you think? Are we gonna keep going higher? We got a nice little barcode showing some support down here. 71. 68, 30, about 30 points in here, both ways. The overnight low is here. Don't know if we're going to retest the overnight low of 48.50. Not sure we're going to retest the overnight low. Somebody trying to sing. Somebody trying to sing. The SPY, the SPY, the S&P 500. Yeah, that's what I'm trading. Let's see if we can find a setup. There was some setups been happening in the morning. And sometimes I take them, sometimes I miss them. Got about 9 minutes before the market opens. Even if the head shows pattern is gonna happen, they're not letting it go easy. They just barcode, red, green, red, barcode. No follow through. Look like, hey, could have a flat bottom break at 6,800. The 96 right here was a 95, 96 was resistance. I mean support. Yesterday this 96 was support. What this came? This was 94. It dipped right below 94 and pulled back. Been pulling back 10 points or more. Barcode, red, green. Who's gonna win? Buyers or sellers? Who's gonna win this fight right here? We know who won this fight. Who's gonna win this fight? But at this point, it don't even seem like a fight. It just seems like when you look at how the market moves, like somebody, let's say somebody, something, entity, some, just keep the market in a range until until the traders is out and the market about to close, and I guess they put in all they buy side, sell side, the market moves after market closes. But we'll see. I'm not gonna make at this point the way the market moving. I'm not making any movement, any trades before the market opens. All right, about 2 minutes, a minute, 15 seconds, 10 seconds before the market opens up. Here we go. Under 68. Are we going for the 6,800 or not? Are we going for the 6,800? Let me get my daily chart up here. See what the market does first 15 minutes. Heads respecting the minor top and bottom trend lines. So far, we just got a lot of back and forth. Keep testing 60, 68, but hasn't, there we go, hasn't cracked it, it stayed above it. Still over and under. If I can get 68, nah, thought that was it, maybe. Do we get it? Is this the go or no? The go or the fake out? Is this the go or the fake out? They might have faked this out. To fake out. Thought it may have been the go. Thought that bar may have been the go. Nope. Fake out. Thought that may have been the break and go. Nope. Wasn't. Shakeout bar. Is this the shakeout bar for the weak positions and then go? Nope, that wasn't it. Let's see. It's coming back up. Is this the squeeze or another fake pump fake? Squeeze or pump fake? Got a lot. We got orders stacking up in here. Squeeze or pump fake? Okay, look like it's trying to hold up now because it's not dumping. Over the 200. Let's see.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Keep running up into the 0102. Keep running into 0102. Up in this area and getting pushed up, getting pushed. Let me move this so we can see what's happening over here. We get rejected at 0102. Yeah, we just gonna be in here. Yeah. Thought we was gonna get a push out of here somewhere. But we just in here like this. Wait for it to go one way or the other. See if we get a continuation. Let it go. Let's see if it's gonna continue in that direction. I'm not trying to catch the first move. I gotta keep my daily chart on top. Always on top. Got another 15-minute bar open up at about 3 minutes. Okay, we're back in this channel, the big channel. We're back in the big channel. $81. Back in the big channel. Still above VWAP, but we're back. Well, we outside the big channel now. Look at my chart. Look like it's bullish, and it may go without me. My chart froze. Why? Don't know. They froze my chart, so I gotta wait for the charts to come back online. I'm gonna disconnect and connect back. See if it comes back on. See if my dome and my charts come back up. And there you go. So is that coincidence that I'm looking at the pop and the pop happened and we like, okay, time to move, and the charts freeze? Is that a setup for failure? That don't seem like that's hey, what are you gonna do? Try to disconnect and connect again. And there we go. Now, what my charts happen. We got up to 07, 08. From 98 to 10-point pop, and my charts freeze on a pop. It's kind of interesting. Very interesting. Okay, we got to get past this 13 and this 16. We back into this zone here. 12, the highest 12, 12 for 20. I went to 11 and a quarter. Well, the pop that would have been nice. That would have been nice. Froze. Looking at any resistance on the 4-minute chart. I mean, 4-hour chart. Buy up here. Nah, it's breaking out of the value area. Value area high of this move to 05. Pushing higher. Around this 15, 16, we got some resistance. If we can, around 13, I don't know if it's going to pop past it. That's the question. Is we getting squeezed out enough to just blow past to 20? $13, $16, still going. So got some people, got some orders stepping in here. Got some orders stepping in saying it's something up here. There's some resistance here. Got some orders stepping in here saying there's some resistance here.
Order filled.
I'ma see. I'm gonna see that 15, 16. This is what I'm gonna do. That 15, 16 may come back down to 12. We may, unless we just keep popping. It's strong though. It's strong. Let's see if we get some type of pullback here or if we keep popping. Get some type of pullback here. 1, 2.
Target filled.
Okay, that's one target. Pull my stop to break even. See if we can stay here. See if we can get the second target.
Stop filled.
Okay. Stop filled on the second target. Let's see. Keeps going. I'm gonna take out 15. Take out 15. How far we go? Looking at this area here, do we get past it at 15, 16? I'm gonna take it.
Order filled.
We may bust that 16. I'm gonna take it. 17, we gonna hit the 20. Yeah, we gonna hit that 20. We going to 20. They're gonna test that 20.
Order filled.
They're gonna test the 20. I'm trying to. I know I'm going against this grain. What I'm gonna do is, if I can, I'm going against this grain here. I want to take another position if it go up to 22. We at the top of this here. wanted to get another position short, but we may take this. Let's see. This may pull back, so I don't know how much. We get to 18. We get 18. No. If we get over 20, I'm gonna have to get out because I don't want to take a second run up because it's gonna be stronger. If it break over 20 again, then it could be a stronger run. Yeah, if it break new highs, it could be a stronger move. Trying to give it some time, but it seemed like, okay. Want to see it give some back. We had a nice run. Give some back. Give some back. Come on. Give some back. If we just square off up here, then that's no good, but I was hoping we get some back. No, not yet. Not giving any back. Nope, making new highs. It's going to make new highs. Yeah, it's still strong. Still strong. What is this high? 24. Still strong.
Stop filled.
I stopped it. This way I would have took another second position, but 20, 24, 25 just. And this was my long position in here. Why am I going short in my long position that I wanted to take in the beginning? Ten o'clock. Ball opens up in 2 minutes. There we go. 10 o'clock news. Fall bar opened up. Does it break? Come back under. 16, or does it stay over 20 and keep going? Open at 21. Till we get above 26, 25, 26. We're looking at 36, another 10-point move. Okay, we're holding the 16. So it'd be 2016 and 25. Let's see if we hold on to the 200 moving average. Okay, we stay over 25. I want to see a close over 25. They close on 25, maybe higher than I thought it would be. Well, it didn't close over 25 yet. It just went over, went to 30, and pulled back. Didn't close over it. Let's see. High's 26 and a quarter. Didn't close over it. Went to 29.50. Pulled back 10 points from 30. So we just consolidate here, which isn't a bad thing if it's going to move higher. Stays over 20, consolidates over 20. We got this close here, 22. We got down to 12. Let's see where it wants to go now, if it's going to pull back. Somebody blasted the order at 24.50. And we're just in between 12, 13, 30. We get a 15-minute bar in about 30 seconds. Yeah, that move looked so promising, didn't it? Like it was gonna just keep going. Like it just wanted to keep going. Okay, this looks promising. I like this move. I like how that look. I like how that look. A little double bottom, but this got it open. It's 21, 21 and a quarter. Well, let's see. Making a little high. Making a little high. Not moving anywhere so far. Yeah, this pullback, we just not moving anywhere. Trying to steal with a 16. This 200 moving average is 16, around the 16. Can't see it till you go like 16, 90, 17, 200 moving average. So then we got this support and resistance here down to 6. Got these wicks here. These wicks here trying to hold up. Shoulders, head and shoulders. The high is 29.50. Yeah, the break would be 14.75. 29.50 minus 14.75. 29.50 minus 14.75. 64.75. Hold up. I messed that up. 68, 29.50 minus. Now the break is happening while I'm doing a measurement. Below 14.75. 68, 14.75. 14 points. So 6,800. That's where you're saying we might can go. Well, the measurement can go back to 6,800. That's 14 points from the break. We're on this 16. That's 16. And it did right below 10. Could do a squeeze. Could do a squeeze. Above 16. Need to get more orders to do a squeeze. Hasn't closed above 25 yet. But it's 25.50. What is this pivot? This pivot is actually 25.67. 25.50. One-two punch. One-two punch. Is that what's happening here? Or no? Is that the 1-2? 1-2 punch. That's what I call it. The next one. The next bar goes. Didn't do the 1-2. Didn't give up the 1-2. Looking good for a bull for a long, but I want to see it. I want to see it close over this 24.50 and over this pivot point. And it might run without. Hope it don't, but I want to see it close over it. We got another 15-minute bar open up in 2 minutes. So this could be setting up a move for a 1-2 for the next 15-minute bar to open up and take it higher. Not this bar. The next 15-minute bar. Hopefully not this bar before the next. Got 2 minutes. So this bar closes. And then we get another push above there when the 15-minute bar opens. Not really getting no pushes up here. Well, we don't want it to go without me, so let's see. This close on the daily is 27. So we get a close above the close, the 25 and the close. We can try to reach the top of this, which is 41. So let's see what happens. We got a 1 minute bar opening up in about 45 seconds. Double top. Possible double top on for the day. As of now, possible double top. $15-minute bar just opened up, and it opens up below the resistance level. Below the resistance level. And this bar is where the gap happened. This bar is where the gap happened right here. So we're testing this close of the gap. The day before the gap closed. I mean the day before the gap opened. Closed at 27. This the type of pattern say, yeah, it look like it could blow past here, and then you in it, and it'll dump just like this. Boom. Like, yeah, it's gone. And take a dump. Dump right on you. It's up against resistance. Let's see. Look like we trying to hold off of, and we holding off the 20, 14 moving average, 20 moving average together. Okay, over 25. We haven't closed over 25 yet. We came over here a couple of times. We haven't closed over 25, 26 yet. We closed here 22. No, I'm about palm one. Close 25.75. Right on the 27. I don't want to close over 30. Don't close over 30 though. Close over the 26, 27. Don't close over the 30. I want to see that as the break. $29.50. We touched the 30, right? $28.50. We didn't touch 30? No, we didn't. Well, I thought we had touched 30 too. Haven't touched 30 yet, but also haven't closed over 25.50. Well, we closed at 20. We did one time. We closed at 25.75. Right there. Right. We closed right on the resistance. And we opened at 26. Then we closed at 25.50. So we closed like right on the support level, but haven't closed above it. Okay, one more time. Over 26, 25.75. Close is 27 on this. The 27 is the close on this daily bar. And the high on here on the far bar is 24.50. So we stand above this 24.50 on the daily bar. And then we want to stay, the pivot is the 25.75. We want to close above there. But we also want to get back above this range to go from, so I want to trade from this range to this range. So basically it's trading from inside here above the close of the 27 up into the high of 41, which is a little ways, but okay, we closed above it here. All right, we closed above it. Let's see if we can stay. Let's see if we can stay above it. A little close. We close to. See, here we go. Now, when the move gonna be made, they're gonna freeze the chart. Yo, this right here This is unacceptable. Twice when the move gonna be made, I'm looking to make a move, and the move probably gonna make they free the charts. Why would they do that? That's not even the question. Why would they do that? It's being done. It's being done. It's being done on purpose. Got to be done on purpose. That cannot be not done on purpose. Come on. Every time a move about to be made, that's possibly foreseeable, that you can see that can make happen. A high probability of happening. This is not right. I'm not gonna say it's the buyer who bought the platform, but I didn't have this problem. Okay. The move didn't happen. The move didn't happen, but also don't freeze my charts. Another 15-minute bar opens up in 5 minutes. I don't like breakouts. Don't like breakouts. Don't like breakouts at all. But I'm gonna play the flat top breakout. Don't like breakouts. I'm gonna play the flat top breakout if it goes. It's gonna be we've been hovering up here for a while on this 4-minute chart. 4-hour chart. Daily chart. Oh man, I'll turn my head 1 second and
Order filled.
turn my head 1 second. Come on, stay above that 330. If it comes down, come on, stay above the 330. If it comes down,
Order submitted.
okay. It's not ready to go, huh? Come on, let's go. Nope. They ran a scam on the sham, they ran a sham. Not ready to go. Come on. Stay above, stay above, stay above. Went above that 30 to 31. Nope. Look at that. It's above 25, but it's not the move. It's not the move, is it? Stayed above 25. We in at 30. We in at 30. Had to pop. Gotta stay above this 27 here. Gotta stay above the 27. Question is, can we get to 40, 39? Can we stay above 30 first of all? And can we get back to, not even 39. We gotta look at maybe 34. That's why. If we can get above 30. It's not doing it. It's not but staying above 27. Not yet. It's not staying above 27. It's gonna come down, scrape us out, maybe make the move later, but this is, nope. Not staying above 30 or the 25. That was out. That's what I was looking for. Staying above this right here, the pivot point. Gotta hold the pivot. If we don't, then hold the pivot, get above 27. Gotta get above 27. Gotta get above 27. Don't look like it's gonna happen. Don't look like it's gonna happen. 25, 27 gotta hold. If that don't hold and it break, then we out. We're done for the day. Don't look like it's gonna hold. It's just chopping around here. Just shaking here, trying to hold on. Just shaking here. I'm trying to hold on. Just shaking here. I'm trying to hold on, y'all. All I can do is try to hold on. Over, if it's still above 27, look like it's struggling, stand above 27, 28. 29. Struggling with 29. All right, 29 quarter. If it don't keep going higher, it could be losing. Okay, above the 30. We above 30. Can we get 31? Well, we still struggling with 30. Still struggling with 30. Struggling with 30. $27, $28 is about to break. It's about to crack that 25. It's coming down. Not pushing past 30. Not yet. Not yet. Timing is everything, and I'm on the wrong side of time. And here we go. I'm on the wrong side of time. On the wrong side of father time. And there we go. If that bar comes down and breaks, then it's over. Break the trend line, it's over.
Order canceled.
There it is. Didn't push it. 30. All right, that's it for the day. Didn't get any good moves. Didn't get any good trades. All right, that's it. I'll come back next day. We got back up to 3150, and that was it. No, we didn't even get back to 3150. We got back to 3075. That's it.